Hello dear friend, welcome to the Tourism with Setarehdan channel. In this video, we intend to challenge your knowledge. Despite being confident that you are a genius, let's go and explore the visual question related to this video together. The images you're seeing, which famous world tourist attraction do they belong to? Is it Moorea Island or Bora Bora Islands in France? From this very moment, you have only 10 seconds to identify the correct answer. Ten seconds are up, and the answer to our question is the Bora Bora Islands in France. The Bora Bora Islands in France are a captivating destination renowned for their mesmerizing beauty. Featuring crystal clear azure waters, unspoiled sandy beaches, and majestic volcanic peaks, these islands present a stunning and enticing maritime panorama. Diverse marine life and vibrant coral reefs make them a haven for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts, while quaint villages showcase the charm of French culture. Nestled in the heart of the South Pacific, the Bora Bora Islands provide a magical retreat, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in the idyllic landscape and the lively marine ecosystem. Discover captivating details about enchanting Bora Bora Islands and neighboring attractions. Watch the highlighted video for a comprehensive guide. The narrative extends to introduce Zinedine Zidane, an international football icon and globally accomplished coach, offering insights into his extraordinary life story and achievements in the sports world. Thank you for accompanying me until the end of the video.